I found a way to make over $5,700 in just 1 month without the YouTube monetization, TikTok creator rewards program, or without even needing followers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make these 5 bands and how you can copy me step by step. Hey, but first, let me make a bet with you. I'll give you $10 if you know this method, but if you don't, you have to scroll below and smash the like button. These are 2 of my pages which have gotten 5.7 million views in total. And since Whop pays $1 per 1,000 views, that's $5.7 thousand. Even my little sister could do this, guys. There are a bunch of people who are making good money with the new view rewards program. For example, this guy made $1,000 with just 10 minutes of work, making one video for the Drake's new album. Or this guy who is posting videos using songs from the Drake's new album. Also Sunny, who made $2.5 thousand simply cutting up Whop's YouTube videos and posting them on Instagram. And many more people. I can't emphasize how easy it is. Me personally, I've been going all in on all kind of opportunities that pay you literally for every single view that you get without needing to be monetized. View rewards program basically allows you to get paid for views just like on YouTube monetization or TikTok creator rewards program. The difference is you don't need a monetized account to get started. You can literally make a brand new account and get started right away. All you have to do is post videos, get views, and you'll get paid for those views straight into your bank account. Also, YouTube or TikTok can demonetize your account at any time, and boom, you're out of business. For Whop, this isn't possible because you don't even need a monetized account in the first place. So once again, you make videos with the allowed creators/streamers on the platform, you post them on your account. It can be a brand new account or already a big account with a lot of followers, and use your meme pages, repost pages, any type of Instagram or TikTok page, whatever you have. Start posting, get views, get paid. So how did I do it? It's super easy actually, but I'm afraid that if I show this, all the dropshipping gurus are gonna go out of business because this method is completely free to start. So basically how it works, you go to this website called Whop.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video. You sign up and go to the Discover tab on the left. Then you go to bounties available and you will see all the creators that you can clip for. You can literally pick Drake, Sketch, Ken Carson, DJR Trades, Airrack, and many more. So for this video, let's pick Ken Carson. So the first thing you want to do for any creator that you decide to clip, go over to the course tab and watch the free course. Inside, you're going to see all the requirements you must follow in order for you to get paid for your views. You'll also see some good ideas on what kind of videos to make to go viral.
Like just some examples of like what you could be posting, right? So here is a video of someone hyping up the album coming. This is an example of something you could post. Here's another example. This is an edit that was made.
Here you will also see a content folder of all the available footage you can use for your clipping videos, or also any links where you can find footage that you can clip. Another important channel you should check is announcements. Here you're going to see all the updates plus any new content that you can use for clipping, or any new or unreleased footage from Ken Carson, for example. I recommend you keep an eye on this because oftentimes they're going to have cool bonuses that you can win, or any flash giveaways going on where you can win cash prizes or even concert tickets. So how do you actually make money posting Ken Carson or Drake's new album or any other creator on Whop? Let's pick Whop clips for example. First, let's go to content rewards and see all of the requirements we must follow in order to get paid $1 per 1,000 views. So let's go to Google Drive, download one video, drag it into CapCut, and cut out a viral 20-second part from the video. Let's add auto captions and maybe play around with the editing. Once that is done, we can go ahead and post the video on one of these allowed platforms. Once you post a video, for example on Instagram, grab the link of the post and submit the post inside of content rewards within 1 hour of posting. And starting from now, their platform is going to keep track of the views that your post is getting, and you will get paid every day for the amount of views that your video is pulling in. Infinite money glitch.
Yo, so this is Sergio from the future, and let me actually show you how it looks 2 days later after I submitted my link inside of Whop.
So as you can see right here, it has been accepted. 2 days have gone by. The video flopped, totally flopped. It got 600 views, but we still got $1. And we can withdraw this money when we go over here into balance. We can withdraw this $1 out of the bank. Well, we can't. We need at least $10 to withdraw, but it's that simple. Even if you get 1,000 views, you're gonna get paid for that, and you can withdraw it right away to your bank account.
Alright, I'm sure you understand the concept by now. So let me show you some real-world examples of people who got paid and the videos they posted to go viral. This video, for example, clipping Drake's new album, made $1,000 alone. This guy literally posted a video of him in the bed and put a caption, "Drake and Party cooked so hard with this song." Took him 1 minute to make, and he earned $1,000 from this video alone. And he gets the money straight into his bank account the very next day. I'm sure you could do the same because currently this business model is is totally untapped. Now, this video, for example, is completely faceless. He also made $1,000 from this video, and he literally took a video of a random guy dancing, added the song Nokia from Drake's new album, put a caption, "How Drake on Nokia got me feeling." Now, again, we see the same pattern here. Took him like 2 minutes to find a video of this guy dancing, add a caption and a song on TikTok, post it, boom, $1,000 into your bank account the very next day. Now, the beautiful thing about Whop View Rewards program is that you can literally do this from any country. You can do this from USA, Europe, Middle East, India, Pakistan, doesn't matter. As long as you're a good editor and understand the concept of going viral, you're gonna make money. The only problem, you need to target audience of USA, UK, or English-speaking countries. That's why I recommend you use a proxy so you can target USA, UK, and get the full payment. Now, even if you get viewers from other countries, you're still gonna get paid, only your payment's probably gonna get cut, as long as your viewers are not coming from third world countries. You can simply target USA simply by buying a cheap proxy and follow the instructions to set it up. You can get one from AIProfitMarketplace.com. You're gonna get the proxy, instructions on how to set it up, and full support if you have any issues simply by making a support ticket. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can get this. Now let's do a quick comparison of the View Rewards program versus TikTok or YouTube monetization. On TikTok and YouTube, they can demonetize you anytime for whatever reason and you're not gonna get the money. On TikTok, for example, they can disqualify you for security issue or unoriginal content, and even if you have $2,000 in the dashboard, you're not gonna get that money if they disqualify you. On YouTube, it's not that strict, but still, they can demonetize you, and usually on YouTube, your RPM is really bad. And also for TikTok, YouTube, you usually need to get a monetized account, which is going to take you 1 to 3 months to get 10,000 followers or 10 million views on shorts to get your YouTube account monetized. With Whop, you can literally make an account this day, get started, start posting videos, and your RPM is going to be higher than on TikTok or YouTube, and your money is guaranteed and you can get it out the very next day. So overall, I don't think there is any better opportunity right now in 2025 how you can make money simply by posting content from any country. If you think there's a better way, let me know in the comments and I can debate you.
All you need to get started is simply a phone, which you probably already have if you're watching this video. A computer will also work. You need CapCut, which is free, and you can just search on Google how to download CapCut Pro cracked version, which is also super simple. You're gonna need time for editing or just hire an editor for $2 or $3 per video, which is super cheap. And you can learn how to use CapCut for clipping. We have a free course inside of our Whop account. You're gonna need a Whop account, which is also free to sign up for. And the last thing is proxy, but that's optional. It's only if you want to target USA audience and don't get any payment cuts. It's only $10 to get a proxy, so don't be cheap ass. You can literally get started right now from any country in the world. Join whop.com/clipit. Link's gonna be in the description. Sign up, choose an opportunity you want to clip for, post videos, submit them, and get paid every day for the views that you get. There is no catch. Get started right now. Check the description. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.